In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text templates in Salesforce Flows. We'll start inside Salesforce. First, log into your Salesforce account, then click the gear icon in the top area of the screen and choose Setup. Once you're in Setup, use the quick find box to search for flows, and then click Flows from the results. From here, you can either open an existing flow if you already have one you want to work on, or click New Flow to create a new one. This is where you'll manage the reusable text content that can save time and keep your flow messages consistent. Inside Flow Builder, go to the Manager tab. This is where resources for your flow are stored. Click New Resource, and for the resource type, select Text Template. Then enter a resource API name. Make sure the name is clear and descriptive, so it's easy to recognize later, especially if your flow includes several resources. You can also add a description if you want to make the template's purpose even clearer. Next, choose the text format. You'll typically see options like plain text or rich text. Plain text is best for simple content, while rich text is useful if you need more formatting. After that, click Next or continue into the content editor, depending on the version of the screen you see. Now it's time to build the template itself. Enter the text you want to reuse in your flow. If you want the message to include dynamic values, click Insert a Resource. This allows you to pull in variables, record fields, or formulas so the content updates automatically based on the record or flow data. For example, your template might say, "Hello," followed by a record's first name, then a thank you message, and a case number, followed by a sign-off from your support team. This is what makes text templates so useful. They let you combine standard messaging with personalized information. Before moving on, review the content carefully to make sure everything is accurate. When the template looks good, click Done. Then confirm that the text template now appears in the Manager tab. After that, save the flow so your work is not lost. To use the text template, add or edit a flow element that accepts text, such as send email, screen, create records, update records, or post to chatter. Find the field where text is needed, click Insert Resource, and then select the text template you created. Save that element once the template has been inserted. Finally, test the flow. Click Debug in Flow Builder and run the flow using sample data. Check that the text template displays the correct information and that the dynamic values appear as expected. If anything looks off, make the necessary adjustments, then save and activate the flow. That's it. You've successfully created and used a text template in Salesforce Flow.